Hi everyone, this is a video about this SILVERLINE screwdriver set with magnetizer and demagnetizer and a handle and 6 double-ended screw bits, and this is in total 8 pieces, and the price was so reasonable that I thought I have to make a video out of this. The price was £2.99, £2.99, and it says that is carbon steel construction, which is not very good. Anyhow, ergonomic soft grip driver handle with swivel end, interchangeable double-ended blade, and magnetizer, demagnetizer, suitable for fixing mobile devices, laptop, watches, and all of that, including slotted 2 and 3 PHO, YO, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, and T10, T15, and M2.5 spanner. Anyhow, this is really good when you come across a deep screw that you want to undo it. So I looked up and down internet to find these that it can match normal screwdriver sets, that is like this, but unfortunately, because the end of these, it has this notch at the end, you cannot use it with any other handles. Anyway, I get it out and I show you what I mean. So everything, I put this aside. This is all that you get. This is the magnetizer and demagnetizer, that is clearly written there, and then the handle, which is not of great quality, but it does the job for small screws. And this one is rather a little bit deep, and I'm planning to either modify this or use it as it is. And this end is swiveling and turning freely, and this is the end, but you can just easily to get this out is press fitted, and each bits, it has double ended, and if you look at it, the quality, I guess if you don't abuse them, is okay. And I just gone for the length, and this is the length that you see. Each of these segments is a centimeter, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 10 centimeter, but when you're putting it in the handle, it goes this much in, so it's just about 2.5 centimeter is going in, but in general it does what I expected it to do. Is just going deeper than, I show you normal screw bits. This is the depth that we can get into, but this one you can see that is much longer than that. And the problem with this head that I told you is this notch that it has here, and if you put it in there, it doesn't fit, and it's loose, and it doesn't do any good with other handles. And this is not a bad handle, but it's not deep enough to just accept a little bit of this base of this bit. Anyhow, I bought this on eBay. I show you the seller if you want. The price is so reasonable that I recommend you to get it, $2.99, and the seller is this company, F4 stroke. So you can get this, but if you come across a more extensive set of these, please let me know, because this one, it only has the cross and the flat and all of these torques, the star shape torques. It doesn't have any other sort of type, only this one, the Y type they call it. Anyhow, this is supposed to be a short video about this item. I hope you like this video, and I'm not sure if this is the Silverline original or not, but it is what it is. Anyhow, thanks for your watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.